once again to my channel Be Inspired by Nizara. My today's topic is meditation. Now meditation is essential for people of all age group. But especially I want to mention that meditation is very important for every students, for school going students, for college students, for everyone. And it's very effective for those students who need to study for long hours. Maybe they are preparing for board exams, for any entrance exams, or anyone who is preparing for any exam is a student. So in this session, I'll be discussing with you all very simply what is meditation, how to practice meditation, and what are its benefits. So let's start. Now most people have the misconception that meditation is related to some religion, or it's a religious activity, or we have to be like sadhus or sannyasis. In true sense, meditation is not a religious activity, nor is related with some religion, nor do we have to behave like sadhus. Everyone can do meditation. Everyone should do meditation. In our daily life, we have experienced that sometimes while doing an important work, though our body is there, but our mind is not present there. Even we have observed students, despite studying for 2 to 3 hours continuously, they are unable to memorize properly. And we assume that it's because of lack of memory. Sometimes while doing an important work, our mobile rings, or we get the notifications of our messages in our mobile, and immediately our mind converts to our mobile. Why is it happen? Why it happens so? Why we cannot concentrate on a single task? The real fact is, our mind travels to many things, to many places in a single second. It cannot stick to one place for a long time. And as you all know, our mind travels faster than light. So what's the solution for this problem? How can we keep control of our mind? How can we keep our focus and concentration on a single task? The only solution is we need to exercise our mind. And meditation is the exercise of our mind. So everyone should do meditation. Now, how to practice meditation? Again, there are many misconceptions that while practicing meditation, we need to sit on the floor in Padmasana, we need to keep our fingers like this. It's okay if you do meditation in that way. But there is no hard and fast rule that only in that way you can do meditation. You can sit comfortably anywhere. You can sit on a chair, on a sofa. You can sit in front of your study table. You can sit on the floor. But don't forget to put a soft mat while sitting on the floor. Otherwise your ankles may pain. Just make sure that the place where you are doing meditation must not be noisy. You shouldn't get disturbed. Now many people meditate by keeping their focus on a single object, like a candle, a fruit, or a pen. But here I am speaking about mindfulness meditation. In this meditation, you need to sit comfortably, keep your eyes closed, and focus on your breath. Now I am going to say 3 steps how to practice mindfulness meditation. Step 1. Sit comfortably, keeping your back straight. Close your eyes. At first, you take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. I'll show how to do. While doing this way, while taking 3 deep breaths, your oxygen level in your brain automatically increases and it reduces your stress level. You'll get to know within 30 seconds. After that, keep your normal breathing and feel the sensation of your breathing and your body. Feel how you are taking your breath in and releasing it out. Keep your focus only on your breath. That is the first step. Second step, despite meditating, many things will come in your mind. Like you may think, I have to watch a movie now, or I have a bad fight with my friend today, or I have to eat the chocolates kept in the fridge. So such thoughts are natural to come. But you shouldn't leave meditating. Even though such thoughts are coming in your mind, you shouldn't leave meditating. Let them come. Let the thoughts come. And automatically, you will feel while meditating, your mind will instruct you that I am meditating, but I am thinking of such unnecessary stuff. So second step, don't leave meditating. Third step, while you are getting distracted by other thoughts, and when you realized that you are meditating, immediately bring your focus back on your breath and continuously meditate. You focus only on your breath and your body's sensation. So that is the third step, to bring back your focus on your breath. So these are the 3 steps to practice mindfulness meditation. Distraction almost happens for beginners, but it will automatically move. So continuously do meditation for 10 to 15 minutes daily and form a habit of doing meditation for 21 days continuously. Trust me, you will see that meditation has become a part of your daily routine. Now, what are its benefits? We can be gainful tremendously by practicing mindfulness meditation. It reduces stress and depression to a great extent. It increases your memory and concentration. You can focus on your present. It helps to build a positive body image. It improves a person's imaginative and creative skills. It reduces the negative emotions like anger, hatred, etc. It improves tolerance and patience level in a person. It reduces anxiety. It offers a feeling of calmness and inner peace. You'll feel happy and lively everywhere. It helps to improve your grades. You can score higher grades in your exams, and many more benefits you will gain by practicing mindful meditation. I'm not just saying, from my experience I'm saying, I have observed many students, very intelligent, very talented, but unable to score good marks in their exams due to lack of concentration, focus and patience. But after practicing mindfulness meditation, I have seen an overall transformation in their behavior as well as in their grades. So trust me, meditate. By doing meditation, you can transform your life. We can transform our life in a very positive way. At the end, I would like to thank all those schools, colleges or institutions who have introduced the practice of meditation very effectively. Even I have met many parents who encourage their kids to do meditation along with them. My sincere gratitude to all of you. So meditate and transform your life. And don't forget to share your experience after doing meditation in the comment box. So keep watching my videos, keep sharing my videos. I'll be coming back with such motivational and inspirational videos soon. Till then, have a great time all of you. God bless you all. Thank you very much for watching.